Searching for the best 1,000-yard scope? Hitting long-range targets with precision requires advanced optics, superior clarity, and dependable tracking. Whether for hunting, tactical shooting, or long-distance competitions, the right scope ensures accuracy and confidence at extreme ranges. In this guide, we review the top-rated 1,000-yard scopes every serious marksman should consider in 2026. Number 7. Steiner T5XI Tactical Riflescope is a high-performance optic designed for professional shooters and serious hunters seeking precision, durability, and versatility. Built from rugged aircraft-grade aluminum, this scope is both lightweight and exceptionally robust, ensuring it can withstand harsh environments while remaining waterproof and fog-proof. The T5XI features advanced optics with fully multi-coated lenses that deliver exceptional light transmission, providing bright, clear images even in low-light conditions. Its first focal plane reticle allows for accurate holdovers and range estimation at any magnification level, enhancing shooting precision. The scope also includes tactical turrets that offer positive clicks and easy adjustments for windage and elevation, while the zero-stop feature ensures a quick return to your original settings. With a range of reticle options to suit various shooting styles, the Steiner T5XI Tactical Riflescope combines cutting-edge technology and superior craftsmanship, making it an outstanding choice for those seeking accuracy and reliability in the field. Number 6. Athlon Aries BTR Gen 2 Riflescope is expertly crafted for precision shooters and competitive marksmen who demand exceptional performance and reliability. Constructed from durable, aircraft-grade aluminum, this scope is both lightweight and robust, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of harsh environments while remaining waterproof and fog-proof. The Aries BTR Gen 2 features advanced, fully multi-coated optics that provide outstanding light transmission and clarity, delivering bright, sharp images in various lighting conditions. With its first focal plane reticle, shooters benefit from accurate holdovers and range estimation at any magnification level, enhancing shooting accuracy. The exposed tactical turrets offer quick, precise adjustments for windage and elevation, while the zero-stop feature allows for easy return to zero settings. With a wide range of reticle options to choose from, the Athlon Aries BTR Gen 2 Riflescope combines innovative design and superior craftsmanship, making it an excellent choice for serious shooters seeking unmatched performance in the field. Number 5. Zeiss Conquest V4 Riflescope is a high-quality optic designed for hunters and shooters who demand precision and reliability in the field. Constructed from durable aluminum, this scope is both lightweight and robust, ensuring it can withstand harsh conditions while remaining waterproof and fog-proof. The Conquest V4 features advanced Zeiss optical technology, including fully multi-coated lenses that provide exceptional light transmission and brightness, delivering clear and vivid images even in low-light environments. Its versatile magnification range allows for quick adjustments, catering to various shooting applications, from close-range encounters to long-distance precision shots. The reticle options include illuminated models for enhanced visibility in diverse lighting conditions, while the easy-to-use turrets allow for precise windage and elevation adjustments. With a sleek design and ergonomic features, the Zeiss Conquest V4 Riflescope combines cutting-edge technology and superior craftsmanship, making it an excellent choice for serious hunters and sport shooters seeking optimal performance. Number 4. NightForce NXS Scope is a premier optic designed for serious shooters and hunters seeking exceptional performance and reliability in the field. Renowned for its rugged construction, the NXS features a lightweight yet durable aluminum body that is both waterproof and shockproof, ensuring it withstands the toughest conditions. Its advanced optical system incorporates fully multi-coated lenses that provide superior light transmission and clarity, delivering bright, sharp images even in low-light environments. The scope offers a wide range of magnification options, making it versatile for various shooting applications, from close range to long-distance engagements. Equipped with precise turrets for windage and elevation adjustments, the NXS allows for quick and easy zeroing, while the first focal plane reticle enhances accuracy at any magnification. With its robust design, outstanding optical performance, and innovative features, the NightForce NXS Scope is an excellent choice for those looking to elevate their shooting experience and achieve greater accuracy in the field. Number 3. Leupold VX-6 Riflescope is a high-performance optic designed for serious hunters and shooters who demand precision and reliability in the field. Featuring a versatile magnification range from 1 to 6x or 3 to 18x, the VX-6 provides exceptional clarity and brightness thanks to its proprietary Twilight Max light management system that optimizes visibility in low-light conditions. The rugged construction, including a lightweight yet durable aluminum body, ensures it can withstand harsh environments while remaining waterproof and fog-proof. With the option of various reticle designs, shooters can choose the perfect setup for their shooting style and conditions. The VX-6 also incorporates Leupold's custom dial system, allowing for quick adjustments for windage and elevation, making it an ideal choice for long-range shooting and hunting. Overall, the Leupold VX-6 Riflescope combines cutting-edge technology with practical features, making it a top choice for enthusiasts seeking superior performance in their optics. Number 2. Vortex Optics Viper PST Gen 2 Riflescopes are engineered for precision and versatility, making them an ideal choice for tactical shooters and hunters alike. Available in various magnification options, these scopes offer exceptional clarity and brightness, thanks to their high-quality, fully multi-coated lenses. The illuminated reticle ensures visibility in diverse lighting conditions, enhancing accuracy in low-light scenarios. Constructed with a rugged, shock-proof design, the Viper PST Gen 2 is built to withstand harsh environments while remaining waterproof and fog-proof. Its precision glide erector system allows for smooth adjustments, providing easy tracking and target acquisition. The tactical turrets are exposed and allow for rapid, easy adjustments on the fly, while the zero-stop feature ensures quick return to zero after making changes. With an advanced reticle selection and a sleek, durable construction, the Vortex Viper PST Gen 2 Riflescopes deliver outstanding performance and reliability for all shooting applications. Number 1. NightForce SHV 5-20-56mm Riflescope is a top-tier optic that combines exceptional performance with robust design, making it an ideal choice for long-range shooters and hunters. With a versatile 5 to 20x magnification range, this riflescope offers the flexibility needed for various shooting distances, from close encounters to extended precision shots. The 56mm objective lens maximizes light transmission, providing bright, clear images even in low-light conditions. Built to endure, the SHV features a rugged aluminum construction that is both waterproof and shockproof, ensuring reliability in the field. The scope's zero-stop elevation feature allows for quick adjustments and an easy return to zero, enhancing the shooting experience. Equipped with a choice of reticle options, shooters can customize their setup to suit their specific needs and preferences. Overall, the NightForce SHV 5-20x 56mm Riflescope delivers unparalleled accuracy and durability, making it a favorite among serious shooters and professionals.